Sweep and Flip brings DeFi AMMs to the NFT ecosystem, increasing liquidity and volume of NFT collections. Talking about the problem we solve, you might have faced liquidity issues when dealing with your NFTs, such as this big difference between the best offer and the actual floor price, or even the lack of any liquidity to sell them. These are common problems of primitive order books, mostly found in the main traditional marketplaces, and this is where Sweep and Flip steps in. We've taken inspiration from automated market makers that revolutionized DeFi and are applying a similar concept to NFTs. Think of it as the Uniswap V2 for floor NFTs. Our NFT DEX simplifies trading. You can buy or sell NFTs instantly and earn trading fees by being a liquidity provider. Sweep and Flip is the perfect tool to increase NFT liquidity and boost trading volume of the NFT ecosystem. Now let's talk about our NFT Bridge, which unlocks new possibilities for your NFTs across multiple chains. For example, if you want to bridge some doodles, you can view your original assets on Ethereum and their omnichain versions on other networks. You can simply select the NFTs, choose the destination network, and confirm the transactions in your wallet. The original asset is securely locked on the native chain, while the omnichain version is created on the target network. From there, your NFT becomes chain agnostic, meaning you can trade or use it on any supported chain. You can even transfer assets between secondary chains or bring them back to their native chain whenever you need. Sweep and Flip is here to redefine the NFT experience, solving liquidity challenges and enabling cross-chain flexibility.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how our unique NFT Bridge works. In this first section, you can see all the assets that you have bridged so far, and you can also see collections that other users have bridged as well. Our primary focus is on bridging Ethereum-based NFT collections to secondary chains. Let's suppose you want to bridge some doodles. You can view all the original assets you have in the native chain, in this case Ethereum, and also the omnichain version of the collection in the other networks. In this example, you have assets on Ethereum, Base, and Optimism, and you can seamlessly move them between any of these networks. You simply select the items, choose the destination network, and confirm some transactions on your wallet. The original item is always locked in the native chain, and the smart contract creates the omnichain version of it on the selected network. Once the assets are on the new network, the process becomes chain agnostic. Users can trade or utilize their assets on any supported chain. Besides that, you can easily transfer assets between secondary chains, like moving from Base to Optimism or from Optimism to Arbitrum. And if needed, you can always retrieve the original assets back to their native network. This flexibility allows you to maximize the use of your NFTs across different networks while keeping the option to return to the native chain whenever you choose.